Respected audience and my dear friends, I am Niranjan Prassanakumar. I am a student of NTTF Tellicherry. I am a second year student studying Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. Today, my subject is 3D scanning. So, let's talk about the process 3D scanning. Three D scanning is a process of analyzing real-world objects or environment to collect data on its shape and possibly its appearance. For example, its color. The collected data can then be used to construct digital 3D models. Here in this picture, a man is collecting the data of this object by using 3D scanning. Now let's talk about the limitations, its advantages, and cost of the 3D scanning. A 3D scanner can be based on many different technologies, each with its own limitations, advantages, and costs. As you all know, we are familiar with 3D printing. As you know, 3D printing is a very costly process, and 3D scanning is also costlier. And in the case, as you can see in this picture, the 3D scanning is used by a mobile phone. It's getting a help with the mobile phone and printing the head of the dinosaur. Here, the many limitations in this kind of objects that can be discussed are still present. In this new advanced world, still there are objects that can't be 3D printed or 3D scanned. There are still limitations. Here, let's talk about the types of 3D scanners. There are industrial computer tomography scanning, structural light 3D scanners, LIDAR, and time-of-flight 3D scanners that can be used to construct digital 3D models. Here, without destructive testing, let's talk about destructive testing. Destructive testing is a destruction of objects and scanning its appearance, its properties, structure, its color, and all. In the case of 3D scanning, we can use it without any destructive testing and found its structure, limitations, and all. Now let's talk about its applications. There is augmented reality, motion capture, gesture recognition, robotic mapping, industry designs, and orthotics and processes. Let's explain it more. Let's talk about augmented reality. Augmented reality is the interaction between the real world and the digital world. For example, the Pokemon Go game. It's a very trending game in 2020. And in this game, there is an interaction between the Pokemon, the characters, and our real world. Now let's talk about the motion capture. Motion capture is the same process that uses avatar movie to create another person or animation to capture its motion and replicate it into it. It's the same process using every advanced movies. Now let's talk about gesture recognition. Gesture recognition is the process that's used in animations to construct emotions and facial movements and such that. Now let's talk about robotic mapping. Robotic mapping is the process that we use to construct 3D models by collecting its data on structure, its appearance, its color, and all by a robot by using 3D scanning. Now let's talk about orthotics and prosthetics. Orthotics and prosthetics is a device which is used to make help of a disabled person. As you can see in the figure, his fingers are missing, so it is replaced by robotic objects. This is scanned by 3D scan. Now let's talk about the function of the 3D scan. This 3D model consists of a polygon mesh or point cloud of geometry sample on surface of the subject. These points can be used to extrapolate the shape of the object, or this process is called a reconstruction. Here, if color information is color in each point, then the color or text on the surface of the subject can also be determined. If the color, textures, is small details is colored, then we can construct a 3D model with each information. Here, as you can see, there's a point cloud in each point of this figure, and this data is colored using that point cloud. Now let's see a video. It's an advertisement of a group that make 3D models of real life objects or people. As you can see in this video, They are collecting the information about this girl using a 3D scanner. Here the full body is scanning, its color, its appearance, and all. Here the data is collected. As you can see, this method is very advanced. Here the data is then transferred into a computer. As you can see, there's only 5 minutes it taken. And this file is then transferred to the cloud and it is ready to print the 3D model. It takes 15 minutes. Here the 3D model is received. And as you can see, they are applying its size, its color and texture and all. It's quality, mainly it's quality. Here the information is then sent to the 3D printer. And the model is 3D printer. You can see the result. It is the process of model. As you can see, even the color is printed. Now let's talk about the features of the 3D printer. Here, 3D scanners. Here, the 3D scanner shares several traits with cameras. Like most cameras, they have cone-like field of view. And like cameras, they can only collect information about surfaces that are not obscure. Here, this showing that the 3D scanner performs like a camera. It has a cone-like field of view, and it's only collected. The camera only collects the surface. But 3D scanner collects its texture, its properties, its color, and all. Here, while a camera collects color information about surfaces within field of view, a 3D scanner collects distance information about surface that is field of view. Let's talk about the types of 3D scanners. They are contact. The 3D scanner that needs to be contact. That's a needed contact. And non-contact, like the 3D scanners usually between distance. As you can see in the video, it's a non-contact 3D scanner. And handheld laser scanners, structured lights, and modulated light 3D scanners. Thank you. Have a nice day.